A few days ago, our A1 French students put on an incredible stage play, organized by their teacher. Why a play? Because language is not learned by memorizing rules alone. It is learned by speaking, acting, responding, and living it. This method places students in situations where communication becomes necessary. They don't just study French, they use it. They step out of their comfort zones, overcome camera shyness, follow their scripts, and before they know it, the language becomes part of them. The characters they played, the conversations they had, and the experiences they created will stay with them for a long time. That's the power of active language learning. And now, they have successfully completed their A1 examination and are preparing for the next exciting step, a 2. The question is, will you be part of the next A1 French batch? If your answer is yes, send us a DM today and take a bold step towards speaking a new language. And if your answer is no, tell us in the comments, what is stopping you from learning French? We would love to hear from you.